Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Tesco Club card in the UK. First, open any browser and go to tesco.com. At the top of the page, click on Register. Fill in your account details, that's your email address and a password. Make sure your password meets the requirements, like 8 to 45 characters, at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, one number or special character, and no spaces. Scroll down and tick the option, I'd like to join Club Card today. Enter your personal details like your first name, last name, phone number, and address, and click Create Account. Once that's done, Tesco will set up your Club Card account, and you'll be able to use your Club Card digitally right away. You can also request a physical card if you'd like. And that's it. That's how to create a Tesco Club card in the UK. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.